Okay.
Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this summer bronze makeup look. It's super duper easy and it's cool for like every day. So if you want to know how I achieve this, then just keep on watching. Ooh, oh yeah, yes. Okay, so I already started off with my brows done. If you want to know what I used, it's this Kelly Baker brow kit. It's on her website. So now I'm just going to be taking Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm just going to prime my eyes with that. So now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm starting off with Sandalwood, and I'm going to be blending that into my crease using a MAC 224 brush. So I'm just patting and swiping all over the crease. So to warm up the crease a bit more, I'm taking my bronzer by MAC. This is in Deep Dark, and I'm just going to be adding that in. I feel like if you use your face bronzer with your eye look, it kind of ties everything together for that summer sultry look. And now I'm going to be dipping into Trust Fund, guys. Super easy, super foiled. I love this shadow. Look at the pigmentation. I was shook. So I'm just going to be packing that all over my lid with my finger. Dipping into henna, which is a reddish brown, I'm going to be blending that into my crease and keeping it nice and low so that we can have that gradient effect, and I'm blending it on my outer edge. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Wycon Cosmetics liquid shadow in the color Diamond Dust. Look how gorgeous, guys. I had to swatch it for you. And I'm just going to be applying that as a glitter topper onto my eyelid. This is a great alternative if you guys can't really afford the steel ones. I know they're very expensive. I believe I spent $12 on this one. So then I'm taking my MAC brush again with no added product, and I'm just going to blend those edges out. Next, taking Black Truffle, I'm going to be applying that to my lash line with a flat edge brush, and I'm going to be winging it out as well to keep a nice soft sultry look. And guys, I apologize for that inner corner booger. I really didn't notice it till I started looking at the footage. Don't be annoyed with me. But yeah, I'm taking the Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my lashes after I curl them. This is going to help us to blend the false lashes. Hi, okay guys, clearly I'm losing daylight while filming this, so I'm gonna try to hurry up because it's getting dark. But I just want to show you guys how beautiful these lashes are. Like, I got almond eyes, so I really loved a winged out lash, and this is literally like perfect. So yeah, y'all need to cop these lashes because oh my god, I've been wearing them for like a month non-stop just to see how I like them, and they're literally amazing. So these are lashes by Latoya. She's a small business just starting some lashes. She only has 2 styles right now. If you're interested, I'm pretty sure I said in the video, but I'll say it again. The one that I'm wearing right now is FM01, and then I'm going to show you the other lash. So this is the other style if you guys like a little bit more of a wispy effect. It's got that spidery feel. These are really, really cute if you want to do like a super glam look. Just like these. They're both very glam, but this one is more winged out and this one is more all over. So they're both beautiful. These are just my favorite out of the 2. So, and if you do like this one, this is in the style FM11. Alright, so let's just continue with the video. Alright guys, so now we're jumping into the face, and I'm priming my face with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and bruh, that earring though pinched the out of me. So I'm just blending it all over my big ass head, and I'm gonna spray myself with some Max Fix Plus. And then I'm going to take my MAC Luster Drops, which is basically a liquid highlighter, and I'm applying that to all the highest points of my face just to add some glow underneath my base. Next, I'm going to take my current favorite combo, which is La Mer and Armani. I know it's a kind of bougie. All the shades and products will be listed down below if you guys are interested. And I'm blending that all over with my Flower Beauty face sponge. You can actually get this at Target, and I think it's better than the Beauty Blender. Just saying. For concealer, I'm using Tarte and Nars. The Tarte is in Tan Sand. This kind of helps to cancel out the darkness underneath my eyes because it does have a bit of an orange base into it. And then I'm using Nars Ginger just to highlight and add a bit of a lighter effect. And I'm just going to blend all of that out with my Flower Beauty sponge. You guys can see how full coverage these concealers are because it literally wiped away my freckles and look at my forehead. So make sure you blend those edges out. And so now I'm going to be taking my Morphe Brushes Contour Cream Palette, and I'm taking the second darkest shade with my sponge. I'm using the edge, and I'm going to be hugging my cheekbones, just doing the three, so the forehead, cheekbones, and then underneath the jaw, as you'll see right about now. And I'm just getting rid of that double chin, you know, because I can't afford no surgery. So yeah, I'm just going to be blending that all over. And then I'm going to be taking my MAC brush, and I'm going to contour my nose with the cream as well. You guys, you can skip this cream step if you don't want to. This just helps the makeup to last a lot longer underneath your powders. Sometimes powder wears off very quickly. So now I'm just going to be taking the concealer side of my sponge to clean up the sides, and I'm going to start to set the face. So I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics powder in the shade Beige, and I'm gonna bake my face. The only thing I'll say is this powder is really great for brightening, but it was not that great for right here, the contour. It kind of left a white cast, so I probably won't do that again. But I'm taking my bronzer, same one by MAC, and I'm bronzing my face with a fan brush. And this is just gonna add even more color, and like I said, to make the bronzer last longer. And I'm also going over my nose contour with the same bronzer and just a fluffy brush. Hey, y'all still awake? Y'all still with me? Hey. So now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just sweeping away any excess powder. This powder is so beautiful, guys. Look how it brightened on my under eye and my forehead, but under my contour, it was super hard to blend out. And I kind of forgot to blend my forehead because I was so focused on my contour. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. I'm taking Fix Plus and I'm drenching my whole face, and I'm going to let that dry down a bit before, and then I'm going to go in with a sponge and I'm just going to press everything into the skin. This is going to help everything to melt and look super natural. Next, I'm going back in with henna and taking an eyeshadow brush to dust this underneath the lash line just to complete the eye look. And then I'm going to highlight the inner corners. I'm taking Moon Dust from the palette, and I'm going to put that into my inner corner with a pencil brush. And then I'm taking Ofra highlighter and I'm putting that in the inner corner just to brighten even further. Okay, eyes are done. So now I'm going to be taking Milani blush in the color Coral Cove, and I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks with a Morphe brush. I really love this blush, it's my favorite. And then I'm just going to be putting on highlighter with Artist Couture and Conceited, and I'm putting that all over on the highest points of my face, and I'm just using a clean MAC 224 brush just so I can be more precise. And then I'm going to go back over with my blush brush just to blend everything again. And finally, I'm taking my MAC Fix and I'm setting one final time and going over with my sponge to make sure everything melts. And then I'm taking my MAC lip liner in the color Cork, and I'm just going to line my lips with that. And then, guys, I'm going to be going in with a new product from Jazmine Beauty. It's a new line, and it comes with one liquid lip, which I just pulled out right here. This is in the color Boardwalk. It's a super cute pink color. It's very natural. I freaking love it. And then I'm going to go over with their gloss. This is in the color Tan Lines. And I'm going to apply that all over just to make my lips look super juicy. And you guys, I love this gloss. It's not sticky at all. And that is it. Look how good I look. Like, don't you want to put a ring on it? Let me know your thoughts on this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this bronzy glam. I really hope the lighting is okay as well in the video, because I kind of started filming this late and I don't have a bunch of fancy expensive lighting equipment. to like help me for now. So I'm kind of like using Mother Nature's daylight. But anyways, you guys, I had so much fun filming this. I feel really cute. Like I kind of need to hit somebody up to take me out or something, because you know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really getting tongue-tied here because I haven't talked on the camera for a minute. So I'm really trying to get back into my YouTube videos if I can. Thank you for those who are still watching me. Even after my horrible, inconsistent uploads, y'all are still there for me. I appreciate you guys. And to my new subscribers or new watchers, thank you for clicking on this video and supporting me. If you guys want to see more of my videos, you can subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, which alerts you whenever I post new videos. Well, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.